client asks for a current inventory update from 2 warehouses. The data is already in Odoo. The real challenge is sharing it clearly without exposing anything the client should not see. Normally, your team filters the records, exports a spreadsheet, removes private fields, and sends another file. That file soon becomes outdated, and the same work begins again with the next request. Portal pages inside the KSRO Labs MCP module offer a better way. Let's create one live using Claude. We ask Claude to build an Oswald warehouse status page using data from Warehouse 2 and Warehouse 3 only. The page should show item names, available quantities, current status, received dates, and planned dispatch dates. Costs, internal notes, other warehouses, and unrelated business data must remain excluded. Claude sends the request through the MCP connection. The new portal page then appears inside Odoo, ready for review. From here, your team decides exactly what is shared and how it is presented. Keep the page public or private. Add password protection in just 2 clicks. Disable access manually whenever it is no longer needed. You can refine the layout and theme, apply custom CSS, track page views, and confirm which authorized AI connection created the page. Once everything looks right, generate the shareable link and send it to the client. They see only the selected warehouse information. They do not need an Odoo user account, and they do not get access to the Odoo backend. No repeated exports, no confusing file versions, no unnecessary access. The same workflow can be used to share invoices, project updates, delivery information, support cases, or selected records from almost any standard or custom Odoo module. Create portal pages directly inside the MCP module or through your preferred AI client, such as Claude, ChatGPT, or Cursor. Contact KSRO Labs for a guided demonstration built around your own Odoo workflow.